Hi guys, I'm Julie, and in this video we'll show you a simple way to connect your phone and use the new tech in the new 2018 GMC Terrain. We'll show you how to connect your phone using Bluetooth, connect to the Wi-Fi hotspot, send or receive text messages, as well as use navigation. Let's get started. Let's start by connecting our phone to Bluetooth. First, you'll want to select the phone icon on the touch screen. Connect phone, add phone, and now here from the settings menu on your iPhone, you want to select Bluetooth. It's searching for devices, and now you want to select myGMC. You'll be shown a code, and they match, so you can pair the device. All right, and now this is asking if you want to allow the contacts saved in your phone to sync with the Terrain, and yes, we will allow. And now here it shows on the screen that our phone is connected. You may notice that on the touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are not highlighted here. In order to connect to these two apps, you'll have to use the Terrain's USB port and your phone charging cable to connect to these apps. You cannot connect via Bluetooth. If you own an iPhone, this is an important step if you want to send or receive text messages. From the Bluetooth settings screen, you want to select the eye with the circle around it. Click on that, and then make sure that Show Notifications is checked. Now you're able to send or receive text messages. The 2018 Terrain has a unique feature in which multiple phones can be connected to the Bluetooth. In order to check which phone is connected, go to the phone icon, click on the phone tab, and you'll see here that our phone is connected. You can click the edit button here, and this is unique, which it allows you to make your phone the first to connect. I'm going to turn that on. And if I have a frequent passenger, I can make their phone secondary. I'll turn that on. If I want to disconnect that phone, I'll just disconnect here, or if I want to delete that device, I can forget phone. To send a hands-free text, you can summon Siri using the hands-free voice button on your steering wheel. You'll press and hold. Text Ken Yonkers Android.
What do you want to say?
What do you guys have going tonight?
Your message to Ken Yonkers Android says, "What do you guys have going tonight?" Ready to send it?
Yes.
Done.
Making a phone call is just as easy as sending a text message. First, you'll want to press and hold the hands-free button on your steering wheel. Call Ken Yonkers Android.
Calling Ken Yonkers Android.
You'll notice on the screen it shows the person that you're calling. You'll never have to miss a call while driving once you're connected to Bluetooth. You'll both hear the phone ringing and you'll see on the screen who's calling. Hello. Now let's talk navigation. Right here we've got the navigation icon. We're going to tap on that. This shows us our current location. The search button here will allow us to type in an address, or we can actually voice command, which is a great feature. Gives you points of interest, intersections. We've got here recent searches. We can go to that. We've got the volume muted for this demonstration. If you want to get rid of the keyboard, you just click the button right here, and now you can see all of the icons fully. You've got your recent searches, favorites, food, local food restaurants in the area, coffee shops. The touch screen will allow you to go to a second page. Just tap the arrow. You've got more things here. There's shopping. You can scroll down. And we can go back to that main page. Let's talk music. We're going to click the audio icon, and you'll see here on the side it shows the source that you're connected to. Right now we're listening through our Bluetooth with our phone. And so if you've got Apple Music or Spotify, any music apps you have downloaded, you can listen here. We can change the source to Sirius XM radio. We can do AM or FM stereo if we want to. And on the top here we've got our presets. So any radio stations that you've got preset, any XM channels you have preset, you can access those right here. To change or customize the sound, you push this button right here. This is going to allow you to select anything as far as the equalizer goes, or if you've got someone else in the car and you want to adjust where the music is centered, you can just touch on this quadrants here, and it'll allow you to send the music to the back, to the passenger, or if you want to listen to it more in the front, you've got it right there. Next, I'll show you how to connect your tablet or any other mobile device to the Terrain's Wi-Fi hotspot. To connect to the new Wi-Fi hotspot in the Terrain, you'll want to click on the settings icon. You'll notice here we have a Wi-Fi hotspot. You want to make sure that it's turned on, and this gives you the password. You can always change that to something that's easier to remember and save that for future use. If you want to change the Wi-Fi name, you just select it, and again, you can type in something else that's easier for you to remember. From the settings screen on your tablet, you want to make sure that you click on Wi-Fi, and then you'll choose the network. And to save time, we've already typed in the password, and now you see we're connected to the Wi-Fi hotspot. To see how many devices are connected to your Wi-Fi hotspot, you want to click on Connected Phones, and right here it shows our iPad is connected. Thank you for watching this How to Connect Your Phone and Use the New Tech Features in the 2018 GMC Terrain. Like and subscribe for more tips and how-to videos on the new tech features your vehicle has to offer. I'm Julie. I'll see you next time.